The truth is, AI is now so widely available. There is a rush to pilot projects just for the sake of experimentation, which is important. But unless those pilots are tied directly to business outcomes, they risk becoming a technological showcase instead of a business accelerator. So the very first step is not the tool, nor the trend, but the anchor of AI in business ambition. Now let's look at this and make it real. Imagine a bold mandate that says, double revenue by 2030. Now that's a business goal, but it's a great starting point for shaping AI use cases. Now we could take the advice Steve just said, which is, what is the AI that is fit for your organization? So let's look at one example, which is a HVAC, popularly known as a HVAC manufacturer, wants to achieve this mandate of 2x growth, double the revenue by 2030. Now, if 80% of the revenue comes from OEMs, then for this organization, doubling the revenue was directly proportional to the OEM's demand, which means doubling the production. So what is fit for their purposes if we would put all our time and energy behind looking at how this HVAC manufacturer could look at all the initiatives that are there in the production floor? But that could be quite a lot of investment and may not return, enough for your goal. So where then do we focus? We look at those things, those initiatives in the production floor that will directly impact the OEM and satisfy them. Keep the uptime of your production floor up, for which AI can be employed to ensure that the tool wear and tear can be caught proactively through predictive maintenance. Ensure that the rejects of customers are minimized. Ensure that you reduce the warranty claims. So AI can be employed in anomaly detection using signals from vibration, like Steve gave the example of the manufacturing firm, employing signals from operating conditions, visual inspections, all of this proactively helping us with quality, reducing warranty claims. So if we refer to this, these would fit into the framework of assisted and augmented, as Steve just mentioned. Now, these initiatives are fit for purpose for the HVAC company for the way their growth is driven. If you would take another example of a commodity management firm, their growth, on the contrary, is driven through acquisitions. So while they're vertically deep and strong, their growth at this stage needs to grow horizontal, which is, can the customers who are there in one acquisition be visible to the other so that you can enable cross-sell? But unfortunately, because it is through acquisitions, the systems are different, and we don't have one unified golden record that the organization can gain. Now, if your data is not yet ready, and you will see Russ mention about that, what do? How do you employ AI? AI can be employed here through machine learning, pattern matching algorithms to do exactly that, help you accelerate your data, distill unique records, identify duplicates, reconcile overlaps, causing that single source of truth, unlocking cross-sell and upsell. So this principle for fit for purpose can be simply translated into three things. Alignment, which is every AI pilot must align to the KPIs. Inclusion, like Steve said, let that enthusiasm build. Return on employee. Remember, traditionally it was knowledge in the hands of a select few. But now with AI, you can put intelligence in the hands of all. So when employees are empowered with AI-driven insights and tools, they adopt them. And that leads me to the third, adoption uncovers a lot of avenues of where really you can employ AI to those impactful outcomes. So you can start with AI curious, you can become AI ready, and you finally become AI driven. So like you can see, Mark, this whole unlocking AI wave needs to be tapped uniquely by each organization with this principle of fit for purpose.